I know that part of your job as a rep for Resene is to go and have a look when people say it's not working well. So what do you see? What's your top 3 stuff-ups, basically?
Okay, so you have people trying to use exterior paints inside, standard acrylic paints in bathrooms that just aren't designed to hold up to the conditions that you generate in a bathroom, the hot, steamy sort of environment. And people just not applying enough paint. So you can still see plaster lines, or there's just not enough build up there for the protection. So when moisture gets in there, it starts bubbling or flaking and coming off the surface.
How long should you leave the walls to dry before you use the shower?
So preferably let it dry, don't just finish and jump straight in. We'd say sort of 7 days. If you've got another bathroom, sort of use that one. If not, and you have to use the one that you've just painted, try and limit the time you're in the shower and wipe down the walls. Sort of stop any moisture sitting on the surface.